am Rebecca and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, please check out my other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So I am continuing with my cash stuffing journey and I am genuinely in love. It is amazing. We're having such good results with it, and we're having so much more fun over these summer holidays. So I am going to be sharing with you what I've been up to, how much money we've been spending this week, and how much money we're going to be saving, and we're going to get right back into it. Okay, so today we are going to be stuffing £200. So I will check we got it. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 70, 80, 90, £200 ready to stuff. So you guys are actually in for a shock because we've finally been shopping. We did an epic few weeks on the cupboard challenge, but the month isn't over yet, so we're keeping the money in here and it will roll over each week to go towards our shopping fund. So we've got a bit of change in here. We're going to be adding £40. So there's 20, 40. So that gives us 20, 40, 50, £65 for our shopping fund, and we've got some coin in here. So we've got 66, 67, 60. We've got about £69 then for our shopping fund. Petrol, we did go away. We had a gorgeous time. It was so nice to get away, to see friends. We were camping, so we need to pop our petrol back in. Our car fund, this is adding up nicely. So we're adding £20 to the car fund, so that's 20, 40, 60. So we've got £80 in the car fund now, which is just lush to see that growing. Then we move on to eating out. So as I said in my last video, so bwyta allan means eating out. Because we went on holiday, then our holiday money covered everything to do with holidays that included eating out. So we didn't take this with us. So we're going to add a £20 to this week. So we've now got £40 for our eating out fund, which is lush. We've got some family coming to see us next week. So I think we might have to treat everyone, take them for a nice meal somewhere. So Ada, she is my gorgeous white German Shepherd. I should put photos up for you to see her. She's just so beautiful. So she gets £20 since we cancelled her insurance. So she's got 20, 40, 60, so she's now got £80 in there. So we were paying a premium of £40 a month. And we've never used it. We used it once when she was a pup. She got hit by a truck, poor thing, when she was about 30 months old, and we've never used it since, and the premium just went up. So we decided to cancel it and we will save it ourselves. Home, this gets £20. So we've got 2, 4, 60, 80. So this is to go towards if anything breaks in the house, or if we want to treat ourselves, get something nice. We have got work that needs to be done on the boiler. So this will cover that work when it comes. A Scar-free, then he is going to get £20. So this is school fund. So this might be if he needs school uniform, or if he needs a bag or coat or anything like that. So he's got 20, 40, 60, 70. So he's now got £80 for us to spend. Moving on to holiday. Now you will notice I've suddenly changed my nails because I'm having to actually refilm this bit because my software didn't work. So I'm having to refilm this little section for you guys. Anyway, holiday, went away on holiday. It was lush. I am going to be going away to Newcastle on a hen do, so we're really excited about that. So holiday is going to get £20. So I've only got £20 in there just to help go towards that. I have already got money aside for when we go away, so it's only getting £20 for now. baby then, as a lot of you know if you've been watching the previous channels, we are looking to extend our family, wanting baby number 2. So baby is going to get £10 to the fund, and this will just help us kickstart when the time does happen. So we've now got 10, 20, 30, £40 into our baby fund. Sometimes Welsh, the translation, it's pretty self-explanatory. Celebrations then, we have finally spent the money. So it's the father-in-law's birthday, and we've sorted out a little celebration for him. So money has gone from there. So we have got £10 to go into celebrations for this week, ready to save up for when it's Shreen's birthday. We've already got a list together what we're going to get in. We're already planned, and we're just going to get the funds together. Retirement, we've got £40 in retirement, so I'm not adding to that, because as I said previously, we're going to have other wallets in that are interchangeable. So at the end of the month, money that's left over from different wallets like petrol and shopping is going to go into this fund or into general savings funds. And we have finally went to the sunflower fields. So it was really nice. It's at the beach, you get to go, there's a Gruffalo trail, so we took our £5 fun money with us to spend and to get there, and we got some free seeds as well. So that is it. I don't know about you, but I am ready for the colder weather, for autumn to come on its way. This dismal weather we are having is getting me all ready in my jumpers, getting the heating on, getting the fire on. I am loving it. So this has been a fantastic journey so far over summer, and I cannot wait to see where it's going to take us going into the autumn months, preparing us for saving up for Christmas. So I will see you on my next video.